Let's explore Straight Up, our latest addition to our product family. Straight Up, with similar installation and finishing methods to drywall ceilings, gives a smooth, non-directional, monolithic drywall-like visual or a slightly textured ceiling, with up to 50% lower installed cost and up to 75% shorter total installation time versus acoustical plaster systems. CDPH version 1.2 compliant and with a high recycled content of up to 92% per weight makes Straight Up an excellent choice sustainability-wise. Straight Up can be installed with most drywall-compatible light fixtures without any need for expensive and time-consuming specialty adapters due to its rigid 15mm 5/8" absorbent boards. The integral scrim makes Straight Up cracking resistant, easy to repair, and together with the mud-free joints, a long-lasting, monolithic appearance. At Style, we specialize in helping complex projects seamlessly achieve their most ambitious targets. Welcome to visit us at style.com.